Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Expo Bar Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because this power switch that you see right here was not powering on the machine anymore. The whole connections on the back got completely burned. The whole power switch got completely burned as well. You can see it right here, all the cable connections. We had to replace the whole power switch, and we also had to replace the cable, the power cable, as the power cable got compromised as well. We also replaced the pressure stat, as we saw the machine overheating twice on us. After replacing the pressure stat, the machine was not overheating and working the way it's supposed to. We descaled the boiler, the steam boiler, the heat exchanger, and the E61 group head. Also the steamer one and the hot water one. And yeah, that's what we did with this beautiful machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine out. Then we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam. Now hopefully I pick up the right grand settings of this machine. Otherwise we're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. You can see pressure going to 9 bars. Nice extraction as well. Good flow coming out from the portafilter. We're going to stop it right here. That would be 2 ounces. Nice color, nice crema, looking great. We could have gotten a bit better crema and a better shot if we use much fresher coffee, but we're using our test coffee, and our test coffee we keep it on container like this, so it definitely gets a little old pretty quickly. Flow from the group, as you can see, it's a steady stream coming out from it. Excellent steam pressure coming out from the steamer one. Beautiful. And hot water, as you can see, excellent pressure, working amazing, working great. Machine is filling up the boiler, as you can hear the pump running. It's going to take a little bit of couple of seconds to fill up that water that we just removed. Once it does, you can see the light going on, indicating that there's water in the boiler and the machine is heating on. And the machine will go back to heat up and be at 1 bar of pressure. So there you have it, Expo Bar working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.